In my book, this is the number one medicinal herb we have here, which is the Guinea hen weed.
Hey guys, well, it's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back at my friends at Taste of Jamaica Tours. And you know, this year we're celebrating 60 years of independence. 60 years since we got independent from Britain. And in line with our own celebrations on site, I'm going to share 60 traditional Jamaican herbs. The stuff that our parents and grandparents use to cure, to treat, and even just nutrition. I'm going to share those with you right now. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel though, I implore you, I invite you, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos, stuff like these. I call it a real Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So join us, man. Hit subscribe now and tap the bell notification. That way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go. This is the place, guys. Taste of Jamaica. You would have remembered it from the herb tour. Remember that now famous herb tour. This is the place. Lush, vegetative environment here. All kind of stuff. That's cane there. That's hibiscus there. That's guava over there. Banana here. All kind of stuff. And this is the man. Mr. Broderick, how you doing, sir?
I am doing fine, and hello everyone. I hope I will be of some interest to you today.
Absolutely, I believe so.
I will be showing you around, so I hope you'll be having a very, very interesting time.
I believe so. All right. Number one, the first one you want to share with us. Certainly one of the most popular one that our parents and grandparents used to use is
Vervain.
Vervain or
Yes.
vervine, right?
It's vervain.
Vervain.
Yes.
Okay.
It's V-A-I-N.
Yes.
This is a very popular herb in Jamaica, and you know it is used for bronchial problems. So you have respiratory problem. This is one of the herbs that is widely used.
All right. The vervine, and for good reason, it's in the number one spot.
Yes, because it has been used a lot during the COVID period. Yes, a lot of people turn to this herb.
All right.
Yes, because they know of the real good effect.
Yeah, but our poor parents knew that long time. That's why we have been using it for generations.
Well, I must tell you, this herb is originally from Madagascar. So it was the Africans who take it here.
Okay.
And that's how we end up with it.
All right, good.
Yes.
There's another one here I see. This is
sorrel.
Sorrel, okay.
Yeah, this is the sorrel. And you know, we have two types. This is the white sorrel. So we have the white sorrel and the red sorrel. And this is our most popular Christmas drink.
Yes.
Whenever you're in Jamaica at Christmas time, there is always sorrel. You
have to get some sorrel.
Yes. And it is not only just a drink, but it is good medicinally.
All right.
And also you can make a tea from it. So the leaves are used to make.
Let's try it and use
interesting. Yes.
All right.
Tea.
Good. All right. What's next? And this one is.
No, this is the susumba. Everyone in Jamaica know about susumba. And you can eat the grains here. This is like a green peas.
Yes.
So you don't let them get overripe. You use them at the younger stage.
Just cook it up like regular vegetable.
Just like green peas. And the leaves are very good to make a nice cup of tea.
All right. That's the susumba.
Susumba.
All right. And this beautiful one here, sir, is the
hibiscus.
All right.
And it's a beautiful hedge plant, but it is also very good medicinally. Because the leaves and the flower, it's good to reduce your blood sugar level. So if you have high blood sugar, you just need to drink a cup of this every day. And it will help you very much.
All right, that's hibiscus.
Hibiscus.
Another of the traditional plants, herbs here Guys, hibiscus. Is there another one over here, mister?
Okay.
What is that one?
Yes, that's.
What's this? What's this one?
A lot of people don't know. This is the strong back.
This is a strong back.
Root.
Strong back root.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
All right. So tell us about this one.
The strong back root is.
So it's called strong back root, even though it's not really a root. It's a plant.
No,
It's a plant.
it's the root which is the main part.
Okay. But the name of it is strong back root.
Root, yes.
Okay.
It's called the Jamaican Viagra,
Ah.
or referred to by some people as yellow duck.
Okay. All right.
So the root, it has a yellow root.
Uh-huh.
Yellow, they make a yellow powder from that,
Uh-huh.
which is used in various
Okay.
concoctions.
But it is for stamina and stuff.
Some, yes.
All right.
That's what.
All right. Another one, guys. Another popular Jamaican herb that our parents and grandparents use. And this, Mr. Broderick, is another popular one. It is?
Well, in my book, this is the #1 medicinal herb we have here, which is the Guinea hen weed.
Uh-huh.
And you know, this is the one that is used to treat all the cancers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, lots of patents on this plant,
Uh-huh.
which is termed as the world's most interesting medicinal plant.
The Guinea hen weed.
Yes,
The Guinea hen weed, guys.
Guinea.
All right. And then we have the...
the devil's horsewhip.
No, is this a medicinal one as well?
Yes.
Tell me, all of your parents used to use it?
Yes.
Okay, cool, cool.
Yes.
Okay, so
The
tell us
devil's-
about this one.
The devil's horsewhip is a good laxative, very powerful laxative, but it was used to treat snake bites as well, to hemorrhoids and any venom.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So that's the devil's horsewhip.
Yes.
All right. All right, interesting names. All right, and then there is another popular one here, guys. What's
Yeah.
one?
This one, most Jamaicans know this one. It's the dog blood herb. This is called the Rivina humilis.
Beautiful seeds.
Yes.
Is that green seeds? Or?
Yeah, this is why it's called the dog blood. You can see the blood coming from the seed.
Okay.
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
But this is one that is used to treat a lot of ladies having menstrual problem or fertility problem.
Okay. So it's a,
Y-
I know
yes.
they call it the fertility bush.
Yes, that's
All
it.
right. So this again is one of them that our parents and foreparents would have.
Yes,
Would have used a lot.
Different people have different name for it, but it's the dog blood.
All right. I think here it says Rivina humilis.
humilis.
That's the scientific name.
Yes.
All right. Anything else you have here, sir?
Well, here we have the nettle.
The nettle.
Yes,
This is
this
the
is-
one that
this is-
will bite you, man.
Yes. Yeah, they call this the stinging nettle.
The stinging nettle.
And
Guys, let me just ask these guys who are watching here. You remember this? For those of you who grew up in the country in Jamaica, you should know this one. This one is the crotch bush. Crotch you, bite you.
right,
Mr. Broderick call it the stinging nettle. That's a nice name. All right,
right. But it is used to treat blood pressure and blood sugar level.
Uh-huh.
So it won't hurt you inside, but it will surely hurt you outside.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
the skin is not supposed to touch this plant.
Okay, that's why you wrap it up like that
Yes.
with a
Yes.
some sort of mesh thing here.
Right.
All right, the stinging nettle.
And there are different types of them. Yeah, there
Okay.
are different types of nettle.
Okay.
Yes, several different types.
All right. The stinging nettle, guys. And I see another dog blood over here.
Yeah,
Oh,
but-
what is this now?
This one is a popular one also. A lot of people in Jamaica say kwaku bush. But this is guacu mecania.
Guac with a G.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guacu mecania. They call it kwaku bush. That's good for soap. Yes.
Okay.
To wash the skin.
It's a cleanser, I heard.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And it's good both inside and outside.
Okay.
So you can use it internally and externally.
You make it as a tea as well, I presume.
Yes.
The guacu. All right. So I see another blue vervine here again.
But
With all- that's
but
it.
we touched it already.
Yeah. So the blue vervine here. And this one here, which is not my favorite for the record, is definitely not my favorite. It is the
Spirit weed.
spirit weed, man. It has a terrible smell.
It's not turbo. It's just a unique scent. It's the wild
it's very
cilantro.
nice to the spirit
it's the
weed.
wild cilantro.
Okay.
Yes,
All right.
and it's very strong,
Yeah.
very powerful.
Yes, man. I tell you guys, I ran into this thing about a year or so ago, and it almost knocked me out. The aroma it has a sort of smell that will.
Yeah,
It has to be. It's strong,
very strong.
very strong. So that's the spirit weed. So our people use it for what again?
This is
Our
used.
foreparents.
They use it for different complications, for bites, diarrhea, malaria. That's what I think that it's used for.
I see. Oh, I see some more stuff here too as well. It says hypertension, burns, earache, asthma, stomach, all kind of stuff.
Multi-use,
All
yes.
kind of stuff.
You can
All
use
right.
it.
Cool. How are we doing now, Ben? How are we? Where are we now? What number are we? Huh?
11.
We're number 11 already. Oh, all right. What else do you have
No.
for us, sir?
Duppy gun.
Duppy.
This is a popular Jamaican one. Duppy gun.
All right. This is the old duppy gun.
Yes.
All right. Tell us about this one.
The duppy gun is used to treat constipation. It's good for stomach ailment, but it is a very good vitalizer. So you have to remove the roots. It have some little tubers. Yeah, and that's one of the main parts of this plant. But both the tuber and the leaves go together.
All right.
And makes a very powerful.
Do you know why they call it duppy gun, mister?
It's because the seeds, you drop it in the water and it goes pie.
Oh, pop.
Opens.
All right.
Yes.
I'm gonna show us. You're gonna show us.
It opens.
You're gonna show
so
us.
that's why it's called.
If you drop
duppy
it in
gun.
there, it's like literally right now.
Yes, they will. They will.
If you put it in the water now.
Yes.
Oh, guys, we want to see it. Come on. If you want to see it, let me know. Put a thumbs up right now and tell me yes. Let him show us because we want to see that too. All right. So let's wait on him. Mr. Broderick is back, guys, and remember now he's gonna convince us. He's gonna show us why this thing is called duppy gun. It's because it pops. So it put it in the water here, and we're expecting to see it pops. There's no pop here, Mr.
Yeah, it's gonna open.
It's got So it's a duppy gun because it pop when they don't expect it to pop.
Right.
all right. So it works.
Yes.
It literally pops. And this herb we use in stamina roots, drink and so on.
Right.
So back in the days where people used to work a lot of manual labor, a lot more now, and so you want something to build back the system.
That's.
So you make your roots with the duppy gun and mix up. All right, good. Learning, guys. What else do you have here?
This is the piaba.
Piaba.
They say the man piaba, the woman piaba. Yes. This one will help the ladies going through menopause.
Is this the one with the call the macabal with the round thing?
No.
It's a different one.
No.
Oh, okay, all right. Oh, this is.
It looks, but it's not this one.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is piaba.
So, what can people use this?
This one, yes. Yes, this is a popular one.
Okay.
They have this song about this one, you know.
Man piaba, woman piaba.
Yes.
I remember a song like that for true.
Right.
All right. Cool. So this one is for women, fertility and menstrual issues, you say?
Yes.
All right. Cool. All right. Moving along, guys. We are at, where are we now, Ben?
13, I think.
Number 13. And Ben is keeping a track of us here, guys. We're going to 60.
This
60.
One,
No.
that's his turmeric.
This is the turmeric. That's
Yeah,
turmeric. Oh, yes.
yes.
Yes. Popular one here again.
Yes.
This is what it looks like, guys. So this is just rooted out the ground. This is what it looks. When it's rooted out the ground, this is what it looks like. Right. And it has a yellowish, pink. It's more yellow than pink.
Yeah, yellow.
Yeah. That's the turmeric. A host of health benefits. Here, guys, I know about that, right? But I know a little bit about it. But this is some of the stuff it does.
Helps with depression and arthritis.
Alzheimer's, they say. And it's powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. We know that. So that's actually, I know, there are some of them I know off the top of my head, popular from my grandparents' days, and definitely the turmeric here. I don't always remember the leaf, it always fooled me, but can't go wrong with the root. It looks like ginger. All right?
No, it looks like arrowroot.
Under the bottom?
No, this is the arrowroot.
Oh, this is the arrowroot. Okay.
Yes.
So that's another one now.
Yes.
Now, is this medicinal herb?
Yes. This is very good baby food.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
okay.
This makes excellent. This is what the older generation get as baby food.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is one you pull up and use to make porridge.
Right. Right. This is it.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, this is the root here.
Okay. Cool.
Yes, so you
scrape it.
Yes, and you
grate it.
Right, and you remove the starch, and that's what you use.
Okay.
Yes.
Arrowroot, guys.
Yes, man.
Arrowroot. Excellent. All right.
And this is the ginger. So you see all three of them in the same family group.
Yes, same family. The original Jamaican ginger. That's how it look.
So
that's how it look. And of course, Jamaican ginger, our ginger, is world renowned.
Yes.
We have the best ginger. Tell us a little bit about it before you move on, sir.
You know,
I know, but I want my viewers to know too. A little bit more about it.
The ginger is as you have said before, it's highly rated as the best ginger you can find anywhere.
Yeah.
This is
Jamaican ginger.
the Jamaican ginger.
Yeah. Let me highlight some of the benefits on here. So here it says reduce gas and improve digestion, relieve nausea, cold, relieve pain, inflammation, bam 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 bam. All kind of stuff. All kind of, yeah, and of course we use it as a spice as well in food, right?
Yes, it's
Right?
a spice.
It's a spice.
And as a tea.
Yeah.
Yes, it's used in different ways.
Awesome, awesome. That's a ginger, guys. Old time Jamaican ginger. That's a plant. That's a plant. And that's the. Hold on. Did we have a root? We didn't get a root, but okay. But that's a ginger. The root, the root is under the bottom here.
Yes. We have to dig it out.
No, it's okay, man. We don't. It's not quite ready yet, so we won't try. My viewers will understand. You understand, guys, right? You know ginger. All right, but it's definitely one of the most popular, and definitely had to be in the top 60 of herbs, medicinal herbs, and plants that Jamaica use. Now, this one here, for sure.
Yes.
The whole time.
Right. One of the easiest home remedy.
Yes, man.
For most colds and coughs.
Yes.
The leaf of life.
Leaf of life. Look at it, guys.
Yes,
You remember it?
So this is another of those plants that we get from our forefathers of Africa.
Yeah.
It's also from Madagascar.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Cool.
Yes.
Cool.
So along with the vervain.
Yeah.
Yes, this is also from
And
Madagascar.
I can speak for it, personal experience. And my daughter had cold, and you know, when nothing else works, when all of those over-the-counter medications don't work, this one here with honey
Yes.
can't go wrong. I mix it up, man. Everything.
Yes.
There's a tubs of honey. Man, the leaf alive, guys. And of course, we use it. I say we use it for tea as well, cold, coughs, and so on. What else you got, sir?
This is the wonderful soursop.
So what's up? We know about that too.
Yes. So the soursop is used the leaves, the bark, and the fruit.
Everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
The fruit makes an excellent drink, and the leaf and the bark makes a wonderful tea. So this is what you drink when you're having problems sleeping, want to relax. Yes, very good for the nervous system.
Awesome.
That's
awesome.
what the soursop is.
That's it. Soursop, guys. Soursop.
Very, very relaxing drink.
Yes, good. And just to add, Mr. Broderick, that there's a lot of talk about soursop anti-cancer properties as well, especially these days. Powerful, and research is still going on, but our foreparents knew that. They were, you know, they didn't know some of what we don't know now, but they know that it works for them in their own way back then, you know. And soursop definitely had to be in the top 60, guys. What else you got, sir?
This is the John Charles. Yeah, the John Charles is one of those plants that is good for antiseptic properties. Yes, antibiotics. So it's good for the skin or to treat any insect bites and so forth.
So how you use it?
You can use it directly.
Just rub it on the skin?
Yes.
So you get a bite, ants bite you?
Right,
or a
use
beef
it
bite
directly. You use it directly.
Okay, just rub it on.
Yeah. Or this is something that you can drink as well for
okay, cool. Make a tea. Okay. All right, cool. That's a John Charles. John Charles. Cool. There's a little bit more about it here, guys. Anti-secretory, microbial and other hormone modulator. All kind of technical, medicinal, scientific jargons used here. But this is John Charles. And moving along, guys, and this is
the periwinkle.
Periwinkle.
Yes.
What is special about the periwinkle, Mister?
This periwinkle is one of those herbs that is very good for memory. So for those persons
like
who
myself,
they are losing some of the memory, this is what they are to drink.
So you drink it as a tea?
Tea,
so
yes.
With the flowers, with the herb, with the...
Yes, the flowers.
Everything, just boil it.
Yes.
Okay.
And they come in different colors as well. So it's not only in white, you have them in purple as well.
So these things are not just beautiful to have in your garden. These things are good medicine. And our foreparents knew that. So they used them. They used them a lot back in the days. Oh, this is...
But this is the Spanish needle.
Spanish needle, yes.
Yeah, this is grown all over Jamaica.
Yeah.
The Spanish needle.
Wild.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
But it's one of those plants that can be used just as a vegetable, just in your salad.
Cook it like callaloo, I heard.
Like salad, yes.
Uh-huh.
And it has a lot of antibacterial properties.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have any issue that you want to get antibacterial
Cleansing and
cleanse, this is it.
Okay. Now, trust me. Well, let me ask you guys. Let me ask you, those of you watching. Did you know? Tell me so far. What have you? What are you learning so far? Did you know about this in particular? This Spanish needle. Some of you would have seen it.
Yes.
But I bet you didn't know that Spanish needle is a medicinal herb. Actually, I use it as food as well. You know. So lots of learning. Lots of learning. I see something. I see Cersei. I see Cersei, Mr.
Yeah.
I see the. Yes, man, I see the Cersei here. All right, guys. So Mr. Broderick is pulling the Cersei across. So everything is actually together here. So this is the fruit of the Cersei.
That's a melon. This is why it's called bitter melon.
Yeah.
So
it's not so bitter though.
No, the melon is tasteless.
Yes. Okay.
it's almost
I tried it, yeah.
tasteless.
Yeah, actually,
But
some of it, you see, it's sweet.
It's not really sweet. It's not really sweet.
Okay.
So it's good for diabetics. Yeah, this is something that you can eat all the time. And to lower your blood sugar.
Yes.
And the Cersei is one of the most popular bitters.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
For all those who want some bitters,
yes,
this is what they run to.
Cleanser. No, I would say, guys, again for the record, there are probably about 5 that comes easily from memory, from what my grandparents and foreparents use, and definitely the Cersei bitter lemon has to be in the top 5. Yes. Definitely the Cersei. There you go, the Cersei, old time Jamaican herbs that our foreparents use to treat, to heal, and for nutrition.
Now you come to another one of those old-time herbs. This is the semi-contract.
Oh, that's the one that stink.
It's not stink, but it's very strong.
Yes, that one that's strong.
Very strong.
I start to smell it now.
Yes,
semi-contract.
You smell it from a distance.
Yes.
Whether it's dry or it's green.
Some people are smelling it right now in the video, you know. I guarantee you.
Because our parents would give us this before we go back to school.
That's a cleanser.
To get rid of the worms and things in the body.
That's a semi-contract.
Yes, this is
it as well here, right?
Yes.
Nice. Semi-contract, guys. Another cleanser. Herbs that our foreparents use. As we celebrate 60 years, you know, we're showing off almost some of the herbs that our people use.
This is also another of those popular herbs, the ramgoat regular.
Ramgoat regular, also called ramgoat dashalang.
People know, they say ramgoat rational.
Rational, okay.
But it's ramgoat regular or Turnera diffuser. Yeah, that's Turnera diffuser.
Yes.
And it's good for stamina.
That's what I heard. That's what I heard.
Yes. That's why it's called ram goat, you know. Yes.
We know about the ram goat.
Yes.
All right. So you make a tea. Yes. But by itself or
by
mixed up?
itself.
Okay.
By itself.
Okay. Cool. Ram goat regular, guys.
Yes.
Another one of those powerful herbs our foreparents use.
And I know you know this one, but
well, let me hear from my viewers, guys. You recognize this? Let me have them tell us what it is.
Yes.
This now is good for I don't know, but there's a lot of talk, a lot of research going on.
Yes.
You're gonna learn more about this. But for those who know, drop it in the comment. Let me hear from you.
Right.
Do you use it? What do you use it for? All right. Good. What else you got?
No, this is a mint. You recording?
Yes.
This is a very popular mint also. Most people call it colon mint. But the correct name is Lipia halba. And very strong aroma. Very strong aroma.
I like it.
Very strong.
It's one of them I have in my backyard too.
Very strong.
Make nice tea, guys. Nice tea. We call it colic mint too, right? Is that
a colon mint, yeah.
Oh, colon mint.
Colon mint.
Oh, we call it colic. Where I'm from in the country, they call it colic mint. But I guess everywhere you have a different name.
That's why the correct name is Lipia alba.
Lipia alba. All right, good. Nice tea. Really soothing, calming, and I'm seeing here that it is good. Nausea, cold, heal wounds, bronchitis, cough, all those kind of things. So, really good stuff. We have some good stuff here, man. Proud of we, proud of we, proud of we. Big up the 4 parents too.
And this is from the basil family. So this is called the holy basil.
Holy basil, as in
I don't know.
H-O-L-Y.
Yes, or Tulsivania.
Ah.
Yes, another of those very nice, smooth, soothing herbs. And it's good using cooking as well.
Okay, it's a spice as well.
Yeah, using the sauce, in the pizza sauce, in tomato sauce, like those. They use a lot of these.
Holy
herbs.
basil.
Yes.
And I see it said it normalizes blood pressure and cholesterol level, help it overcome cold, cough, flu, and fever. There's a lot of stuff here for fever, cough, and apparently inflammation in general.
If one don't work for you, you use the next one.
Well, that's what our 4 parents did too.
Yeah, because no side effects.
Oh, I'm seeing something here, Mr.
No side effects.
I see a little bug here.
Yes.
You know, what is that? You know, what kind of bug is that? Do you know?
We call these news.
Oh, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. All right. You're not into it today.
No.
All right. This is one of my favorite guys.
So this is the peppermint.
Peppermint.
Yeah, this is the common.
It is probably
Peppermint. One of the most common.
Well, probably the most common.
Tea,
Probably outside of fever grass, probably the most common tea that we use and our 4 parents use.
Peppermint.
Traditionally.
Yes.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Everyone.
Every household in Jamaica
know about peppermint.
know about a peppermint and a fever grass.
Yes.
So that's a beautiful peppermint tree, guys. And again, tea, very relaxing, calming, have a beautiful scent, beautiful aroma. The peppermint, Jamaican herb.
We have the spearmint, which is not popular in Jamaica, but we have the black mint, which is Jamaican.
Yeah, the black mint. Okay,
yes.
well, let's see that.
The black mint. You see, it looks like the spearmint, but it's here it is. You see this one? You see, the leaves are smaller than the spearmint.
Okay, okay. So just hold it up against the
yes, and you can see the body has a darker color.
Okay, cool. So that is the spearmint.
This black mint.
Black mint. Sorry,
yeah, this is black mint. If you smell it, you'll see the difference. The black mint, you smell that, and
oh yes.
And the spearmint, totally different.
Yeah, the spearmint taste. Remember that?
Just
Wrigley's bubble gum.
Yeah. Same.
Spearmint, yeah, just like it. All right. Oh,
the good old pepper elder.
Pepper elder, man.
Yeah, so,
pepper elder, guys.
Right.
Pepper elder.
Right across Jamaica, most people will know the pepper elder.
Yes.
Yes. So if you're not feeling good, having any cholesterol problem, you know, just a little hangover, this is what you drink.
The pepper elder. I know it was used extensively by the Maroons, and probably still used by the Maroons, but certainly back then they used it a lot in their dishes, I heard, and for teas.
It's a spicy plant, you know.
Yes, that's what I heard. Yes, a spice. So multi-use.
You smell the spice.
Yes.
This one most Jamaicans know about, but it's a Jamaican plant as well. It's the cordon seedler negro. And the cordon seedler negro is one of those plants resembling the pepper elder. So people will see them and think it's the same. But it's totally different. And the cordon seedler is used to treat wounds and infections and so forth.
So definitely one of them that should be in the top 60.
Yes.
Our before parents use. Cool. All right. Moving along, guys. Moving along. And this one now is the
Jack in the bush.
Jack in the bush. Yes. Now I'm getting the name
there. Another of those popular herbs that the parents will give to us.
Yes.
Jack in the bush.
It's a cleanser too, right?
Eh?
It's a cleanser.
Yes, and it tastes good. So
it's bitter?
No.
It's not bitter?
No.
Okay.
It tastes very good. So as a kid, you know, we would love to drink this one.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna admit I can't recall this one much, but I know about it. My grandmother talked about it, but I can't recall
Jack
her.
In the bush. We use a lot of this growing up.
To make teas again, and I'm seeing here it's good for cold, cough, asthma. So these, a lot of these seem to be for inflammation, as you know, to clean out the body, cleanser.
Yes,
Awesome,
works
awesome,
in different
awesome.
ways.
Yes, and this is a sweet, wonderful aroma. This is the
Search me heart.
Search Me Heart.
Yes, this is the search me heart.
Search Me Heart. Tell us
Yeah,
about this one.
the Latin says retidiophylium, but
Oh boy, you pronounce it. You can speak Latin, man.
it's
All
search
right.
me heart.
Yeah.
And this is the one that works for the heart and the liver.
Everybody with bad heart.
And if you have a broken heart as well,
All right.
you just need to drink some of the
Okay.
search me heart.
Okay.
Yeah, and
cool.
you can feel how velvety it is.
Yes.
And it tastes real good as well.
Definitely. I can speak for that.
Yeah,
Have a
it
real, and if you make a tea with this, if you have milk or soy or whatever it is, man, it's nice. But I hear it open your appetite, Mr. Broderick. But I see here, guys, that it's they say it's a heart bush, lung condition, asthma, congestion, just as you said. Another treasure of Jamaica, the Search Me Heart. Moving along, guys, we're looking at the 60 traditional herbs that our foreparents use as we celebrate Jamaica 60. Which one is this now?
Medina.
That's Medina?
Yes.
That's the same one I brought up?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Yes. See?
Okay, so it runs on the ground?
Yes. Medina is a ground cover.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
And this is a root on it?
Well, leaves and roots is together. Yes, but it's a very powerful herb. And
Stamina.
Yes, when it comes to stamina.
Okay, cool.
So good for the stud farmers to feed their stud.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Medina. All right.
Medina.
All right. And
Along
the
with
troublemaker one, yeah?
Yeah, the mimosa. They call this the shema.
Shema Maka.
Yes.
Dead and wake.
Dead and wake. Yes.
Right.
Whatever.
All right, so show.
It's good for the brain and the neurological disorder. That's what the shema is good for. And it's good for treating, apply to wounds as well.
Yes.
Yes, and a lot of people may not know that because of the prickles.
Yes.
They're gonna say, "Oh, you're gonna apply that to the wound."
Yes.
But the leaves don't have the prickles on it.
Okay.
Yes, it's
Only the stems.
vines. Yes.
And actually, you know, it's a very sensitive plant. I'm gonna ask you to demonstrate, Mister.
Yes.
Come over here, and so hold on. That's before you do. Let me just let me tell these guys that this plant here, it's like this, but when you touch it, it's very sensitive. When you touch it, it's gonna close as if it has a mind of its own, and then after a while it reopens. So it's a defensive mechanism. It appears. So go ahead and touch it.
You see?
You see that, guys? It closes up. It closes up. It closes up. Watch that. Look at that. Man, look at that. All right. Eventually, it will open.
5 minutes.
5 minutes it will open, but it's a defense mechanism. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Can you imagine? Give a like. Big up the sensitive. What's it called? The Shema Maka.
Yes.
The sensitiva. Memoka pudika.
Yes.
Big up the Shema Maka.
Mimosa pudica.
And it's good for brain, for neurological issues, you say?
Yes.
Cool. Now,
This is the strong back leaf.
Strong back leaf.
Yes.
Okay.
And when it says strong back, you see this thing is very rigid. Very rigid. Yes, and it is good for back pain. That's why it's commonly.
So all four parents use it for back pain.
Yes.
Okay. And I see here it's a man back, D bora, bush D. Make tea for pain in the back. All right.
Yes.
All right. Who needs some of this? Who needs some of that? All right. The strong back, guys. And this one grow wild as well, all over the place.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. That's a strong back. All right. Good. Interesting one here, Mr. Broderick. This is it.
This one is not commonly used in Jamaica.
This one.
But that one is the red watergrass.
Red watergrass.
Yes,
Very
and that
popular.
Yes, a lot of people know that it is good for diabetics. Yeah, it's one of those herbs that lowers the blood sugar. Yeah, so you use that on a regular basis. You should not have any high blood sugar.
Can I tell you, man, that it's one of the herbs that I was trying to get some dried, and it took me about 2 months for it to dry,
Yes, it's hard to dry.
Hard to dry, man. The water just don't seem to come out of it. Now I understand why they call it red water grass. See? Yes, man. It's not so easy at all. Diabetics, they said, and related ulcers and sores. See, you have a whole bunch of health benefits. And this one now?
It's the marigold.
Marigold.
Yes, this is good for mostly women who having reproductive problems.
The marigold.
Yes, marigold.
Okay, so this will probably work in conjunction with like the dog blood kind of situation.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you make a tea with it?
Yes, you boil them. You boil them and drink.
Let me just capture.
Good to treat menstrual pain and stuff like that.
All right, and I see a bees having taken some nectar here.
Yes.
All right, good. So this is a marigold.
Yeah.
Cool.
So most people know marigold, but this is marigold.
Marigolds. Okay, so there's a difference. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
This
Good.
This is not gold. This is golds.
Golds. Okay.
Yes.
So this is a female. This is the one that is for use for female reproductive situations.
Yes.
Cool. Mr.
Just catch the-
Mr. Broderick is bringing my attention to another one here, guys. It's called Penny Royal.
Yes.
No, this is new to me, but he's saying this should definitely be in the top 60.
Yeah, used to treat gallbladder problems
Uh-huh.
and also intestinal pain.
Uh-huh. Where you find this? Where you find this one, Mr.?
This is
I don't remember seeing any.
Penny Royal.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Is it popular?
man. Yes, yes.
Okay, cool. All right, so you were saying,
It's like a mint.
okay, it's like a mint. You make a tea with it still.
Yeah.
All right,
Once- if you smell it, you'll realize.
it's nice.
Yes.
All right, cool. All right, so you're saying it's good for,
And it is also can cause an abortion.
oh, people use it for that too. Okay, cool. All right, the Penny Royal. That's the Penny Royal here, guys. Mr. Lassell is bringing us, they're going to show us some more stuff. By the way, you're seeing more dog blood here.
Yeah,
A lot of dog blood. You plant them like this, you plant them here.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And this, this now is
This is the neem.
the neem, a cleanser, bitter like gall, right?
Yes.
That's the neem, guys.
It's very, very good for cleansing the body.
Yes, man.
Very good.
You make a tea. People use it in face soaps and everything like that now. I understand.
Yes.
Yeah.
They make soap from it now. You see neem soap. And
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the leaf. That's what it looks like, guys. The neem. It's another popular herb plant here in Jamaica. Another one here.
So
All right. So this is,
the breadfruit leaf.
all right. So we traditionally or historically use the breadfruit for food.
Food.
It
Yes.
normally grows up. So those for you, if you're watching, guys, this is a breadfruit plant again, and we normally have it normally grows a fruit. We don't have a fruit on it here. This is a baby plant, right? We look forward, but this actually here, a fruit would grow somewhere here. This is the beginning of the fruit here. All right. So the fruit normally, but you're saying
The leaf.
our foreparents use it as well for medicine.
Yes.
The leaf, and for what again?
It's used to treat high blood pressure.
Okay.
You have a high blood pressure. This is one of the things that you should use.
So you boil it as a tea.
Yes.
All right, so that's the breadfruit leaf, guys. Breadfruit leaf. Learning. Moving right along, guys. Moving right along. And this is the
Dandelion.
dandelion. That's
Yes.
Jamaican dandelion, certainly.
Yes, the Jamaican dandelion.
Yes.
So here you see the seeds. Yeah, the seeds. Yeah, the dry seeds. This is what you roast and you grind and they make a drink like coffee.
Like coffee.
And this is what is used to treat the prostate.
Ah.
Yeah, very
Drink it
good.
like coffee.
Yes.
All right.
Make
You
a
can
drink,
treat
just-
and I guess maybe just as a good thing to drink, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
The dandelion.
You don't have to wait until you have prostate, right?
And no, you don't. Right. That's it.
I mean prostate issues. Yeah, because all of us have prostate.
Preventative.
Yes.
And you also use the roots and the leaves as well.
Ah, okay.
Yes. So it's not only the seeds.
Uh-huh.
So you can boil the roots and the leaves together.
Cool. That's a dandelion, and you're making a
Dandelion.
little farm out of it here.
Oh yes.
Beautiful.
We reap all the seeds.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
It would be nice if we have some dandelion tea now, not you, Fred? Or if Mr. You have any dandelion tea now, Mr.?
If,
We don't know. Don't worry about it.
yes.
All right, good. Moving along, guys.
This is the Aki.
Aki.
Yes.
All right. So some people, let me put a little context to it.
Right.
First, so in Jamaica here, well, let me you go ahead first.
You see, Aki is mainly used as a food.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's one of the main breakfast menu.
Yes.
the ackee.
Uh-huh.
But it is used medicinally for treating diarrhea. You have a severe diarrhea,
Yeah.
all you need is to drink some of the leaves from the ackee.
Where's Miss Liz? Where's Miss Liz? She has a testimony. Come and share it.
She's not around, but
yeah.
it definitely works.
Yes,
Definitely works.
She's sure that it works.
Yes.
Damn, that's
It
diarrhea, ackee leaf, tea. Man, all right, good. Our 4 parents use that. All right, good. Guys, remember, I'm actually at Mr. Broderick's place, Taste of Jamaica tours. He does tours on herbs and popular plants here. What you're seeing right now is corn, and these corn appear that they're ready. So maybe Mr. Broderick can give us some roast corn a little later. But so these are all corn and stuff he has here. But I notice he also has peanuts. Peanuts. These are beautiful, sir.
Yes.
And these are ready?
Yes.
Wow. That's lovely. That's lovely, man. This is lovely. All right, so this is not a part of the count, the medicinal herbs of Jamaica, but certainly something to highlight as well. These look really rich.
Yes, these are
big.
Yes.
Oh man, look. What?
Big man,
These are special variety or something?
It's a white peanut.
Okay.
Not the red ones.
Okay.
So you burst it open and it's ready to eat. Oh, I have a knife here.
Oh yes, man. Please.
It's not dry, so
yes.
It's not easy to
cut, to burst.
To burst.
Okay, cool.
So you put it down for 2-3 days, and it's ready to
eat.
But just open it like that, and inside you see the peanut.
Okay, so that's okay. So okay, so and it looks okay.
Yes, it's same, only that it's white.
All right, so let me have.
And it tastes very good. Just like that. Just try it.
Okay. All right, so this is, so the seeds are longer?
Big, yeah, they are big.
Okay, bigger grains, okay.
Yeah, big grains.
So this is white
peanut.
learning a lot. Did you know about this white peanut business here, guys? Let me hear, drop a comment down below. And man, come, please, if you have been watching from the beginning, go ahead and give Mr. Broderick, Mr. Broderick some love and support, man. Give him a like. Give us some like. Liking the video right now if you're liking what you're seeing. Lots of awesome medicinal herbs, Jamaican herbs. He's showcasing as we celebrate in our own way our 68th independence with 60 traditional herbs of Jamaica. Traditional herbs of Jamaica. All right, I'm seeing all kind of stuff. He has pineapple here as well and stuff. But we're not talking about these. We're focusing on the herbs. Alright, and now this is another interesting plant, guys. This is the
castor bean.
Castor bean.
Yeah, this is
castor
what
plant. Yeah.
Yeah, this is what makes the castor oil.
Popular, certainly one of the most popular products of Jamaica. Jamaican black castor oil.
Yes.
That is the baby.
Yeah, so this is the seeds. This is what makes the oil. So each pot has 3 beans. So you open them, and out comes the bean. So you do that, and here is the bean. So that's the castor bean here.
Yes.
And this is what makes the castor oil.
Yes. And what we use it, and what's the health benefit?
This is used to treat the hair. But for anyone who have any problem, how should I say? Yes. If you are constipated, you just need to eat one of this.
And it works.
So if you eat one and it doesn't work, then you take another one.
But no more than
that. Yes. And that should
take care of that.
Take care of it. Yes.
All right. So that's the castor. So we use it a lot for hair and stuff. But it's a powerful laxative, you said.
Yes. Powerful laxative. And this is from experience. Yes.
Mr. Broderick's experience.
Yes. This is
the castor bean, guys. More traditional Jamaican plants as we celebrate 60 of them on Jamaica 60. Alright, so moving along, guys. So which one is this now, mister?
That's the tobacco.
Tobacco! All the smokers in the building.
Yeah.
Like up. Look at the leaves, they are huge. Put your hand beside it, mister.
very huge leaves.
Yeah, so this look at his hand relative to the
they-
leaf, guys.
They call this the red rose.
Red rose.
Yes.
Oh, the smokers call it that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
All right, and of course you dry it and smoke it.
The seeds. These are the seeds.
Uh-huh.
So you collect these, and that's what you plant.
So this is another one I thought we'd just share with you guys. This is not so much medicinal. I wanted to share the tobacco with you. This is what the smokers use, all right, when it's dried. Tobacco. Run into another interesting one here. Guys. And this is?
This is the nightshade.
It's not the susumba.
Not the susumba.
All right.
The nightshade. So if you look at the ripe beans,
it's yellow.
they are yellow. Yes. Unlike the susumba.
Okay.
And this is used to treat the root, the bark, and the leaves are used to treat any anti-inflammatory problem you have.
Okay.
Or to treat arthritis.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
What's the name of it?
It is called nightshade.
Nightshade. That's a local name.
Yes, nightshade.
All right. The nightshade. So it's one of them that our foreparents use as well.
It's solanium is what it's called.
That's the scientific name.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nightshade.
All right, nightshade. And we'd make it as a drink.
It looks like the susumba.
Yeah, definitely. It confused me a while ago. So
yes.
So you definitely make it dry it and use it. Make it as a tea as normal,
yes,
right?
Yes.
All right. The nightshade, guys. Another of the herbs that our good old people use to take care of themselves. Of course, there's lots more of the fever grass here. This is leaf alive. It's leaf alive stone, guys. Leaf alive stone.
We never did touch the fever grass yet.
Oh no, we didn't touch the fever grass yet, so we're gonna touch the fever grass. But you have before we touch the fever grass, you have here is
the noni fruit.
Noni. So this is the noni plant.
That's what they call the Hawaiian noni.
And
you know, this is one of those fruit that is filled with health benefits.
Amazing health benefits. Man. This fruit, this plant in general, has so much power.
Oh.
What is this? This is
King of the forest.
King of the forest. You don't remove it. But this is what it looks like. You know about this bad boy here. And there's good reason why it's called the king of the forest. And what are the
it's a beautiful flowering plant. It looks so beautiful in the.
Yes, I know.
Yes.
Yeah, when it gets big and have the flowers on it.
Yes. It's like a king.
Yes. That's why they call it the king. Oh, so what's it used for typically, mister?
Yeah, this is very good for the skin. You have any skin ailment?
And rashes
you can
and
you can just get some of the leaves and rub it directly onto your skin.
And that's it. And that's history.
Over time. And
that's history.
Yes.
King of the forest. Now this is a young plant here.
Yes.
Yeah, usually get much taller than this guy, but these are a couple of them here. Right? Here at Mr. Broderick's place. Taste of Jamaica Tours. Here in St. Anne, Jamaica. What you got again here? We did this already?
No.
Oh, well, okay. We just alright, we're just gonna highlight the yam. Big up the yam.
Yeah.
Standing tall.
Yes.
The yam, this is Renta. Nigger yam, alright.
You can show yellow yam up there. So
Alright, the yellow yam. No, that's not the yellow yam. Yes. That's Venetia and Sherry. Yellow yam is beside him. Alright, they're keeping me honest, guys. They're keeping me on track as we go to count down to 60.
This is the baby jackfruit.
The baby jackfruit. But it's jackfruit, right?
Yes.
But this one is a smaller one. Okay,
Smaller,
I know sometimes they have unique names and so on.
Jackfruit.
Alright, cool. So this is a jackfruit tree.
Yes.
Alright, so we're just highlighting the jackfruit because we have, but there are health benefits too.
Oh, well, yes. Yes. Lots of health benefits. The jackfruit is used by vegans, you know. It's one of their main meat source.
Oh, okay. Cool,
yes,
cool.
contain lots of proteins.
Cool.
Yes, so the jackfruit is their main meat.
So people back in the days, those who are not the big meat eaters, they would use their jackfruit here locally.
Yes.
Okay, as their meat source. And I see here as well, you have it's an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, has anti-inflammatory properties as well. Antimicrobial, anti-cancer, antifungal. Underutilized food. Well, our foreparents knew about it. So maybe underutilized in some places. But certainly in Jamaica, we love our jackfruit.
Yes.
And we know the health benefits of jackfruit. Cool. Count down to 60, guys. This is a bad boy here. This one is popular. And we have a lot of it here. And them look good, man. Fresh and green. This is the
lemongrass.
Otherwise called fever grass. All right.
Yes, and you know, this is good as an insect repellent.
I heard that. Yes, yes, yes,
Yes, but
yes,
makes a nice tea from this
yes,
or
yes,
drink.
yes. I think the name fever grass come from the it's
Used to treat fevers.
fevers. Ah, I
So
figured,
that-
I figured.
that's how the
But it's
name
officially
come.
lemon grabber. We call it
Yeah.
fever grass, obviously, obviously because of it would have helped in those cases, and our foreparents
But
need
it
it.
smells very nice.
Very
You just,
strong, nice aroma. Definitely, man. I know that. I know that. Those of you who are
Excellent,
smelling it as Mr. Broderick smell it, guys, give him a thumbs up right now.
Very good,
I know some of you smelling it as you watch this right now. That's a lemongrass, aka fever grass.
And over here you have the Artenique.
Artenique. All right, you have just one and it's a baby one.
No, it's a mature one.
It's a mature one?
Yes.
Oh, it's a little short.
It's a mature one. It's the only one that is left on the tree.
Okay, cool,
Yes.
okay. So we're just in time.
And this is typically Jamaican. Artenique is a Jamaican orange.
Yes, yes, yes.
So if you find it anywhere else,
Uh-huh.
it was given to them from Jamaica.
Okay. Indigenous.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Artenique.
Artenique. All right, so this is just a mention.
Makes a very
A
nice
friend-
tea,
yeah.
the leaves.
Oh, actually, it says medicinal too.
Yes.
Okay. It
Very
makes
nice
the tea
tea.
just like. Okay, cool, cool, cool.
Very nice.
All right, so the Artenique, just like the lime, right?
Just like the lime.
You have lime here.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna talk about the lime too. So that's the anti-inflammatory properties, guys. The Artenique, just like so the Artenique actually is a cross. So a little bit of history for you. It's a cross between the orange and the tangerine.
Tangerine and orange.
Yes, cross between that was done here. It's one of our products. A Jamaican did that some time ago and created the Artenique. So now you know.
Mexican mint.
Mexican mint.
Yes.
This ones have a really strong aroma.
Yes.
Really strong.
Really
And
strong
we use
aroma.
it. What we use it for, Mr.?
It's used in soups, sauces, or just to make a tea. And it has lots of anti-cancer benefits.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes. I see other stuff as well.
So
Anxiety,
used to
skincare.
improve kidney health.
All kind of stuff here. Treats fever. This is the Mexican mint. Is that the cilantro?
No,
No.
you have the.
They have another name for it. Wild something.
It's called Indian borage, Mexican mint.
Okay, all right, that's that. All right, that's the Mexican mint, guys. More holy basil, guys. Lots of it here. Mr. Broderick's place here.
This is what we call the bush cabbage. Yes, that's packed with iron and vitamins.
Our
So
foreparents used
This
it.
is what our foreparents used before we have these modern cabbages.
Okay.
Yeah, this was the cabbage.
Cut it
that
up the
everyone-
same way and steam it up.
Steam, yes.
Season them up, steam them up, and eat them up, right?
Very, very nice with the coconut juice.
Okay.
That's how they use coconut.
Okay. All right. So, bush cabbage.
Yes.
more bush cabbage, guys. More Cersei here, guys. While Mr. Broderick speaks with the ladies in the background there, I'll show you some more Cersei. My brother, how you doing? Good, man. Good. More Cersei. That's the bitter lemon, see? Running wild in these places, man. Look at this, Cersei. Just another mention, guys. This place is lush and fruitful. Mr. Broderick and Miss Liz here, they're doing a fantastic job, man, and taking care of this place. All the herbs and the fruits and the vegetables. And here, they have pineapples. These look like they're almost ready, Mr.
Yes.
Almost ready. That's good. Good job, man. Good job. Pineapples here. So this is just a mention. This is not medicinal herb by any means, but we wanted to just highlight that as well. Yeah, so we have here, guys, the one that made the good old limeade. What we call it again? A limeade.
Lemonade?
No, man, a lemonade. What we call it locally? What we call the tea?
It's sugar
The
and
drink,
water.
sugar and water. Sugar and water. Beverage, sugar and water,
Beverage,
beverage.
yes.
All right, this is it. A small tree here, and there's one lime on it. So highlight the lime for me.
But
So touch the lime at the back so people can.
Yes.
All right, that's the lime
Just starting to produce.
to produce. Okay.
Yes. And this is good for give you benefits from this healthy skin. It promote healthy skin. And and lime lower blood pressure as well.
I forgot to drink more lime, man. I have a bunch at home now.
And it also prevent kidney stone.
Cool.
So you use a lot of lime, and that prevents you from getting
all right, and it is one of them herbs, one of them plants, certainly, that our food parents love, man.
Lime leaf tea.
Lime leaf tea, but also the lime leaf tea in the mornings. We used to do that. My mother used to do a lot of that. But the man will go to bush to go work, you know, man. And you just bring your ice, you know, man. Like, just bring your ice and your jug and your water. And I hit that to get your lime at the bush and make a nice beverage. We call it beverage. The lime, guys, traditional Jamaican plants. Here's another popular one, guys. It's another popular one here running into this one. This is the
rosemary.
Look good too.
Yes,
look good
the rosemary is one of those plants that help to boost the immune system. Very, very, very good for your system.
Yeah.
You can make a very nice tea from this as well.
Yeah.
And it's used in various sauces and so forth.
The rosemary, and it's good for memory as well.
Memory.
Yeah, the rosemary, guys, another one popular, old time, classic Jamaican herb. One of them, sure, of your parents used to use, man. I should tell you guys that this place has a lot more than the 60 that we're talking about, right? We're just highlighting the 60 most popular Jamaican herbs and plants that our foreparents use, but there's a lot more, and they have even some more exotic ones too, including strawberry. Yeah, they're farming strawberry here as well. And also, yeah, this is a beautiful plant here. Beautiful plant. You remember it, right? The beautiful plant here. He has it here as well.
And this is the vanilla bean.
The vanilla bean. You got it here. Vanilla bean. Cool. The vanilla, guys. It's rare. Not everybody has it, you know. But this is a vanilla plant again. Yeah. This is just a highlight, a mention. Again, it's a growing one, not necessarily the most popular one here. Our foreparents use, but definitely one of them that it seems to be growing in popularity now here. The vanilla. That's the one that makes the vanilla tea, vanilla extract.
Yes.
Yes. In seasonings and sauces. Thank you for mentioning that, Mr.